Today we're unboxing, setting up, and really putting this TP-Link RE200 Wi-Fi range extender to the test. I wanted to see what the actual real-world speed difference is between my main router, which is the TP-Link Archer AX53, and this little extender. Let's start with the unboxing. Honestly, it's super basic, nothing crazy here. You open it up and you just get the quick start guide and the extender itself. Really simple, bare bones packaging. But I actually really like the design of the unit. It looks nice, right? It blends in perfectly, almost like a modern smart home device. I love that it doesn't look overly techy, no crazy huge antennas sticking out everywhere. So wherever you end up plugging it into the wall, it just looks natural and blends right in. Now, the main reason I actually picked up this specific model is because it supports EasyMesh, so that's exactly how I'm setting it up today. If you've never used it, the setup process is honestly a breeze. You just pull up the TP-Link app and it walks you right through it. Super easy. But the best part about using that EasyMesh feature is how incredibly seamless the network switching is. As I walk around the house, my phone just automatically hops from the main router to the extender, and there's zero pause or drop in the connection. There's no buffering, no weird lag where it tries to figure out which signal to use. It's completely seamless. You literally don't even notice it happening in the background. All right, let's talk about the speeds because I know that's what everyone wants to know. Standing near my main router, I'm getting my usual speeds, which hover around 200 to 300 megabits per second. Now, when I walk over to the other side of the house and test the connection coming straight from the extender, I'm getting about 80 to 90 megabits per second. Honestly, for a wireless extender pushing through walls, that is more than enough for streaming and daily browsing. And having that reliable full house coverage without any drops is a huge win.